And joining us now is Jatin Singh, the Chief Executive Officer of Skymet Weather Services. Jatin, appreciate you joining us. You know, there was a debate in Parliament on the issue today, and the Agriculture Minister said that it's a temporary phenomena. There's been damage in areas where the rainfall was between 8 to 10 centimeters, but it's too early to estimate the crop production due to the rain as well as the hailstorm. How bad are things exactly, Jatin, at this point?
I think they're very bad. I mean, you know, you talk to any trader, you talk to farmers, you're looking at about 65% of the area under wheat that is already damaged. You're looking at, after one spell, at least, you know, you're losing value in terms of output by about 25% in wheat, okay, which is a major crop. Potato, we don't have numbers, but all over Uttar Pradesh and Punjab, you know, you've had this rainfall and you've got a lot of hail, which is going to affect that, and vegetable prices tend to spike fairly quickly. Then you have beans, you have mangoes, you have all the, you're looking at damage in terms of total volume anywhere between 20 to 25% already. There's a big spell coming on the 8th and 9th, which was, if not bigger than, is expected to be equal to what we had last week. And this is an unusual winter. You're going to see winter extend right up into April. So we see sequence of rainfalls. There's 8th and 9th, which I talked about. 16th is a spell. 21st is a spell, which is also is expected to be big. And then on 1st and the 14th of April. So, and I don't think you know, and this is a year in which this is a drought. 2014 was a drought year. So if you're getting at a bad Rabi, okay, and then you on the back of a bad Kharif, things are not good, and they will become acute fairly quickly.
So what can be done at this point in time, Jatin? Because as you pointed out, this is widespread. It's pretty much across most parts of India, and you're anticipating now more bad weather, specifically within this month as well as going into the next month. What can the government do? Today, MPs from Rajasthan, UP, Madhya Pradesh were seeking urgent government assistance, urgent government intervention.
I think one of the things the mistake that they did was, I think, India had a very robust weather-based crop insurance scheme that was not supported by the central government when this central government came in. So if you look at, say, Maharashtra or Rajasthan, compensation will be paid because there was an insurance policy already running. Whereas from Chhattisgarh, it was removed. From Bihar, it was actually removed. And the government fundamentally doesn't support weather-based crop insurance scheme. You know, second, you know, the management of rural distress, though it might be in the news, Maharashtra and Rajasthan is much better because there's much more monitoring. One of the things they really need to listen to is people like us who have all the data at a geospatial level, at the village level, where we can say what has been the damage to crop and what was the rainfall. I don't think the machinery is able to put that data together. Once you're able to pinpoint rural distress, then the relief effort is going to be faster and it's going to be much more focused. The money will go to the people who actually need it. Especially today, where you have the technology to look at, say, 40 days in advance, when you know which states are going to be affected. So let the state and central government be ready for it, as opposed to, you know, it become a post-facto scenario, which it is so far.
Which are the states that are worst hit at this point in time as per your data, Jatin? We heard Punjab, we heard the MP from Punjab talking about significant damage in Punjab. We heard MPs from UP talk about significant damage. And of course, we've seen in the first 2 months of 2015, 93 farmers committing suicide in the Marathwada region. Which are the regions that are most affected by the unseasonal rain and hailstorms?
All the way, you know, down from Himachal Pradesh, where the apricot and the apple crops are going to be severely affected. Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh. These are the, you know, states that have been majorly affected so far. And I think they will continue to be in the next couple of days again.
So what should we be watching out for now, Jatin? You said that you anticipate another bad spell on the 8th and 9th of March, if not worse than the previous one that we just encountered, perhaps equal to that. And this will be again across North India?
It's going to, see, the last one went all the way to South India. So I expect this to hit at, you know, to be from Jammu Kashmir to Karnataka at least. That is the span, you know, or at least up until Maharashtra and then going eastwards into Bihar and West Bengal.
All right, Jatin Singh, it's not looking good there as far as the agrarian economy is concerned. The crisis continues to deepen on account of weather-related woes, and there are several other problems to deal with, including crop insurance. The government today in Parliament saying that they will be coming out with a new crop insurance policy, but not giving any timeline or any assurance yet. Jatin, appreciate your time here on India Business Hour.